Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and in today's video I'm going to share with you few things that you should quit right now, as I have told you in my previous videos that I am currently reading this book, Physical Life by Satyam, and one thing about this book is at the end of every chapter an exercise is given in which you have to write down 10 things that will improve your life, or you have to write down 10 things that you should quit right now because those 10 things are not letting you grow in your life. So I have written down few things that will improve my life if I quit them. Till now I have written down 6 such things, but in today's video I'm just going to tell you 3 of them. So please watch the whole video, and if you like my videos then you can also subscribe this channel. And one more thing, that if you want to talk to me then you can message me on Instagram. I have given my Instagram ID in the description below. Now let's start this video. So the first thing that is destroying my life is lying on the bed most of the time. Since the coronavirus pandemic has started, people are locked in their homes, and because of this they have become very lazy and lethargic. And in the lockdown I have developed a very harmful habit of using my mobile phone while lying on bed, and many people are suffering from this problem. People use their mobile phone for 3, 4, 5, 6 hours while lying on bed every day, and this is the most harmful habit in my opinion, because it will not only make you lazy but it will also make you a mobile addict person. So quit this habit right now. Now the second thing that is creating a big problem in my life is not doing the right things at the right time. Now let me tell you what I mean by it. So from the last 4 or 5 days I'm planning to shoot this video, but whenever I'm free, whenever I have time to shoot this video, I say to myself that I will do it after a few minutes, I'll do it at some other time. And because of this I'm wasting a lot of my time. So this is the second thing that is destroying my life, and if you also have this habit then you should also quit it as soon as possible. Now let's move on to the third and the final thing, and it is fearful thinking. Now fearful thinking is something that happens when you are focused too much on the outcome. Currently I am thinking a lot about what will be the future of this YouTube channel, and I am also thinking about whether I will be able to live my dream life of traveling the whole world, and these things are creating a lot of unnecessary fear in myself. Now the only solution to this fearful thinking is, instead of focusing on the outcome, you should live in the present moment and you should always be in the present moment. So these were the 3 things that are creating a lot of negative impact in my life. I will share with you the remaining 3 things in my next video. For now this book is available on various online platforms, so you can buy this book by clicking the link in the description. So this is all for this video, and if you have any question or doubt in your mind then you can always ask me in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching this video.